everybody, welcome to my channel. Well, this is a long past due mail unboxing call. Every day that I wanted to do it, I go into the mailbox and there's another sticker. And trust me, I'm very grateful to everything you sent me, but I do apologize for being so long. So let's get started. First thing we have here, and this time I did not open it. It is from Runneth Over Garden and Life, aka Nina and Boys. Oh. And I don't know what's in here. Oh, we got a lovely note here. I hope you enjoy our homemade treats. Nina and Boys. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh my goodness, you guys didn't have to do this. Let's see what it is though. Oh my goodness. Cowboy candy. Look at that. That looks yummy. Oh, screw came on down here. Oh, homemade barbecue sauce. And you know it's got to be good if it's coming from Texas. And what else we got here? You guys are so sweet. Oh, that came right open here. Oh. That is pineapple mango habanero jam. Oh, eat your hearts out. Thank you so much. That is so wonderful. Oh, I appreciate that so much. I'm gonna have to hide this from my mother though. You guys realize that, right? Runneth Over Garden and Life, they do all kind of gardening, homesteading and stuff. And they are a great couple, and they're really funny to watch some of their videos, but really interesting. I just watched one of them today on doing microgreens. So you guys make sure you check them out. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. That was unexpected. I'm really grateful. And this is what I got from Rebecca. I won this hat. It is very hot right now, Rebecca, so I'm going to have to wait till winter time. But she also did my Cowboys colors. So don't laugh at my hair now. So it's going to be nice and warm and cozy. And she netted it, of course, in my cowboy colors. So thank you, Rebecca. Touched by Yarn. Make sure you guys go check. Oh. Make sure you guys go check out Rebecca Touched by Yarn. So the next thing we got here is humongous. I'm quite sure I'm going to have to get another sticker board, but this is White Shoulders, and that is a envelope size decal, and that will be going on some of my gear because it would fill the whole sticker board. But thank you guys, Shannon and Randy. Make sure you guys check them out. Great people, and great people, and they've got a wonderful goat named Hercules. All right, so the next thing we got is nothing in particular order that I received it, and some of these may be a little late, but I do apologize. So the next thing we got is from Bearded Eagle. And he sent me a really nice thank you card. He won a knife from my 700 subscriber giveaway. He also sent me a really nice sticker. So you guys go check out Bearded Eagle, real nice guy. Has a lot of good videos. And the next one we have was kind of a surprise to me, but I do appreciate it very much. And it was a nice card. I love this card. May the Lord bless you and keep you. It's from Gail's Southern Living. She does a lot of cooking videos and gardening videos. So the next one we have, and Mark, I do apologize for being so long, but it is from Sloan's Expeditions. They have awesome outdoor videos, and if you guys don't have them, please go check them out. They're a really nice sticker too, really nice. Thank you so much for the sticker. All right, the next one we have is from Joker's Magnet. This is all the way from Montreal, Quebec. And Joker had won something in my subscriber giveaway. And he does magnet fishing. And something that I'm going to start soon. So as the weather clears up. But definitely go check out Joker's Magnet. All right, here we got something else from White Shoulders Farmstead, Shannon and Randy. This was a thank you card. I donated a gift to Glenn from Raised Outdoors, Arkansas. So they sent me a medium-sized sticker of theirs, which is really awesome. That one will fit on the board, but we'll put that one on there. So they were just thanking me for the donation, and anytime you guys want one, you know I'm here. These guys are really good peeps. All right, here's one that I know is quite late. And I do apologize, Nikki. And it's Nikki St. Laurent. She does a lot of gear reviews. She also does leather, woodworking. She has a lot of knives. And overall, she's a real outdoors person, bushcraft. So make sure you guys go check out Nikki. Nikki, I'm sorry it's so late, hon. Next one is from Legion Tactical Cutlery. This guy reviews knives, and he's got some awesome reviews on knives. And if you guys get a chance, if you're a knife person like me, definitely go check him out, because he's got some really good reviews on different knives. Doesn't matter what kind, he's always on there, and he's a real nice guy too. So let's see. Okay, we did that one. Next one we have here is from Carter's Custom Lures. And you guys all know Carter. He does custom baits and fishing. So go check out Carter. And he sent me a really nice card, flag, right here. And he said, and I sent him some stickers, so he was just thanking me. And I think I covered everybody. Like I said, I apologize for being so late, but every time I wanted to do a video, there was always something at the door. So I said, well, let me let it add up a little bit, but I'm like, okay, forget it. Let me go ahead and do it now. So that's all I have for this week. Everybody, thank you so much for your stickers. Rebecca, thank you for the hat. I can't wait to wear it this winter. And Nina, I'm going to get into this jam before my mother does, and this barbecue sauce. So that's all I have for you guys this week. I'll see you on my next video.